Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the strictly necessary function on the Klarna application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the Profile button next to the Budget option at the bottom of the page and go to the Settings icon at the upper right corner of the screen. In the Privacy and Security section, you can find the third option, the Tracking Technologies. And here you can find the first option, the Strictly Necessary. And if you want to turn on, just click to the next gray circle and on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.